you're looking for grout and tile cleaning in the Southwest Florida area, you'll definitely want to give JS Cleaning Service a call. We begin with the Grout Line Pre-Spray. The next step is our Grout Line Irritation and Scrub. For those heavy soiled floors, we then move into the machine deep scrub to all the pores, tile and grout. Our final steps are the high pressure rinse and extraction, followed by a touch-up mopping. For those dirty floors, you'll definitely want to give JS Cleaning Service a call. We work with porcelain, ceramic, tile, marble, stone, any floors. Often imitated but never duplicated. Serving Southwest Florida for the last 17 years. For a free quote today, call 239-540-0670.